Hello there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of computer memory with the Timetec 16GB kit computer memory RAM. If you're looking to boost your laptop's performance and multitasking capabilities, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes this memory kit from Timetec a game-changer. First, let's talk specs. This RAM kit packs a punch with DDR3L 1600MHz performance. That's PC3L12800, PC312800 for the tech enthusiasts out there. It's unbuffered, non-ECC, and operates at a voltage of 1.35 volts, though it can handle 1.5 volts too. In the package, you get a total of 16 GB, split into two 8GB modules. That's a significant upgrade for your laptop's memory, and it can make a world of difference in performance. Compatibility is key, and Timetec has got you covered. These modules are compatible with DDR3 laptops, notebook PCs, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices. Whether you're upgrading your trusty laptop or boosting the performance of your compact PC, this RAM kit fits the bill. Now, you might notice that the PCB color may vary, coming in either black or green, due to different production batches. But rest assured, it's what's on the inside that counts. Timetec doesn't compromise on quality. Their modules are rigorously tested to meet stringent standards. Plus, they're backed by a guaranteed lifetime warranty from the date of purchase. That's peace of mind right there. But why should you consider upgrading your laptop's RAM? Well, it's all about performance. These Timetec modules can help your laptop system run faster, load programs quicker, and handle data-intensive tasks with ease. Multitasking becomes a breeze, whether you're juggling work tasks, gaming, or creative projects. Your laptop can handle it all with the power of upgraded RAM. Installation is a cinch. With just a screwdriver and your owner's manual, you can upgrade your laptop's RAM at home in a matter of minutes. It's designed for a hassle-free plug-and-play experience. In summary, the Timetec 16GB kit computer memory RAM is your ticket to a faster, more responsive laptop experience. It's all about enhancing performance and taking your multitasking capabilities to the next level. That wraps up today's review, tech enthusiasts. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews that keep you informed. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.